Claudia, I'm so bored.
Me too.
You need something fun?
Yes.
How about we sing together?
Oh, of course.
Around, round, round, round. Oh, so good, so yeah, yeah, yeah. Bored.
Me.
Bored game.
Bored again and again. How about if we...
What are you want to do?
I don't know.
Help! Help! There is a wolf in here.
Help!
Help!
He ate our wolf! Help! Ah! Wolf!
Help! There is a wolf in here.
Wolf!
Where is it? Where is it?
Let's get help
Together.
Okay, come on. Okay.
Help!
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 Our wolf!
There is a
Help!
wolf here. Please.
Why you're still alive?
Meh, I still alive. Meh.
We treat you.
Oh no! Try again.
I agree with you. Come on.
Help! Help! There wolf in here.
Wolf!
Help!
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
Wolf! Ah! Wolf! Let's get help together!
Help! There's a wolf in here. Please,
Where?
I'm so
Where?
sorry. I'm so scared. We treat you again.
How dare you! It was such bad things!
Don't do that, or we are never believe you again.
I agree with you. We never come for have you again.
I'm sorry.
guys.
We're just joking, guys.
Come on, let's go.
We're just joking.
I'm sorry,
Oh no, I'm
guys.
sorry. We're just joking.
Guys, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's so fun
Yes,
to treat
I'm
them.
very happy.
How about we try again?
Uh.
We treat them, treat, and treat again.
I think tomorrow, and then let's sleep.
Meh. Meh. Delicious lamb. I want to eat you. Meh. Help me. Meh. Help me. Help me. Meh. Help me. Meh. Meh.
Wow!
Meh.
Help!
Help me.
Wolf, my help!
There's a
Wolf! Wolf! Well, let's help! Wolf! Help!
Don't help them. They are play with us again.
It's true. Don't help them.
Leave them alone. Yeah.
Yes.
Meh. Help me. Meh. Help me. I eat you, beautiful lamb.
I'm so sorry. Hopsis was gone, finished by wolf. There's not anyone to help me. Leave me alone in here.
Why are you calm? Because you always treat me.
I'm so sorry. I never do that again.
We give you one chance.
Thank you so much. I never do that. I never do that again.
I'm sorry.
Okay, that is our story about
Sheepherd.
and the sheep. So from the story we can learn that don't treat people because people.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Let's help. This is our team. Guys, say what, guys? Bye.
I eat you, bitch, pelan.
Ah.